Okay, let's go through the notes 5.2. I'm going to go through the example involving finding a gradient. So I will go through example 1, part A and part B. Okay, so here if we have for the first point here, when we have the point A 3,4, we can label the point as x1, y1. So x1 will represent 3 and y1 will represent 4. And for the second point B 6,7, we will have x2 and y2. So x2 will be 6 and y2 will be 7. So to find the gradient, which we denote by m here, we will have y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So if you fill in the numbers, we have 7 minus 4 over 6 minus 3. So this will give rise to 3 over 3, which is equal to 1. So the gradient for part A is 1. If we look at the second example for point C, we can do similarly. X1, Y1 for point C, and then x2, y2 for coordinates of the point D. So when we find the gradient, again by the same formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and when we fill in the numbers, we have 5 minus 8 over negative 2 minus negative 5. So we will have negative 3 over 3, which is negative 1. So the value will be negative 1 in this case. So I want you to do the remaining 4 questions in example 1, and I will show you the answers later in the lesson.